It's important to have specific dreams. Dream big. Dream without fear. Give yourself permission to dream. Fuel your kids' dreams too. Follow your passions, believe in karma, and you won't have to chase your dreams. They will come to you. The brick walls are there to stop the people who don't want it badly enough. The brick walls are there to give us a chance to show how badly we want something. If you want something bad enough, never give up and take a boost when offered. A lot of people want a shortcut. I find the best shortcut is the long way, which is basically two words: work hard. If I work hard enough, there will be things I can do tomorrow that I can't do today. Don't complain, just work harder. Time is all you have, and you may find one day that you have less than you think. Time must be explicitly managed like money. Ask yourself, are you spending your time on the right things? Luck is where preparation meets opportunity. I've always admired people who are overprepared. One thing that makes it possible to be an optimist is if you have a contingency plan for when all hell breaks loose. Complaining does not work as a strategy. Take 1/10 the energy you put into complaining and apply it to solving the problem. No matter how bad things are, you can always make things worse. At the same time, it is often within your power to make them better. Experience is what you get when you didn't get what you wanted. The person who failed often knows how to avoid future failures. We cannot change the cards we are dealt, just how we play the hand. If I only had 3 words of advice, they would be, tell the truth. If I got 3 more words, I'd add, all the time. People lie for lots of reasons, often because it seems like a way to get what they want with less effort. Most people who have told a lie think they got away with it, when in fact, they didn't. When you're screwing up and nobody says anything to you anymore, that means they've given up on you. Your critics are often the ones telling you they still love you and care about you and want to make you better. Find the best in everybody. Just keep waiting. No one is all evil. Wait long enough and people will surprise and impress you. When we're connected to others, we become better people. Showing gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful things humans can do for each other. Focus on other people, not on yourself. Go out and do for others what somebody did for you. People are more important than things. Be good at something. It makes you valuable. Have something to bring to the table. We've placed a lot of emphasis on people's rights, but it makes no sense to talk about rights without also talking about responsibilities. Believe nothing a man tells you and everything he shows you. Proper apologies have 3 parts. What I did was wrong. I feel badly that I hurt you. How do I make this better? All the long-married couples said the same thing. We worked hard at it. Never lose the childlike wonder. It's what drives us. Kids need to know their parents love them. I want her to grow up knowing that I was the first man ever to fall in love with her. If you're going to have childhood dreams, you should have great parents who let you pursue them and express your creativity. Anybody out there who is a parent, if your kids want to paint their bedrooms, let them do it. You can always change your plan, but only if you have one. Never make a decision until you have to. The questions are always more important than the answers. If you have a question, then find the answer. The ultimate example of a man knew what he didn't know, admitted it, and didn't want to leave until he understood. Engineering isn't about perfect solutions, it's about doing the best you can with limited resources. It's not helpful if we spend every day dreading tomorrow. If you can find an opening, you can probably find a way to float through it. Your patience will be both appreciated and rewarded. I've never understood pity and self-pity. Life is to be lived. There are more ways than one to measure profits and losses. You don't beat the Grim Reaper by living longer. You beat the Grim Reaper by living better. Do not tell people how to live their lives. Just tell them stories and they will figure out how those stories apply to them. As you get older, you may find that enabling the dreams of others is even more fun. If we had to vanish tomorrow, what would we want as our legacy? Randy Pausch was an American computer science professor at Carnegie Mellon University, pioneering researcher in virtual reality, and best-selling author of The Last Lecture. After being diagnosed with terminal pancreatic cancer, he delivered a farewell lecture that inspired millions around the world with its message of hope, purpose, and resilience. Rather than focusing on death, Pausch spoke about achieving childhood dreams, overcoming obstacles, valuing time, working hard, and helping others fulfill their own dreams. His practical wisdom, optimism, humility, and generosity continue to influence students, leaders, educators, and families alike. Randy Pausch's enduring legacy reminds us that while we cannot control every circumstance, we can always choose how we live, learn, love, and make a lasting difference in the lives of others.